If you're looking to manage global hiring and compliance with ease, Deel is a powerful solution that can help you hire the best talent worldwide while staying compliant with local laws. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Deel makes it simple to onboard employees, contractors, and freelancers across borders. With Deel, you can create and send compliant contracts to global workers, automate payroll in over 120 currencies, and ensure you're meeting tax regulations for each country. One of Deel's biggest advantages is that it takes care of all the legal complexities that come with hiring internationally, so you don't have to worry about navigating different countries' labor laws. Setting up an account on Deel is quick and easy. After you sign up, you can start by creating job postings or invitations to contractors and employees. With Deel's platform giving you the ability to customize contracts based on the specific legal requirements of the country where your team member is located. Deel also allows you to automate payments, so you can ensure your team is paid accurately and on time, no matter where they are. When it comes to compliance, Deel offers a wealth of resources to ensure you follow local labor laws to the letter. Their platform is built to take the guesswork out of hiring globally, with localized contracts and automatic tax filings. This eliminates the headaches of navigating different legal landscapes and provides you with peace of mind that your hires are always in line with the latest regulations. Deel also allows you to onboard new team members seamlessly. You can share contracts, manage documentation, and keep all relevant information in one centralized platform. It's built to simplify global hiring, removing friction and making it easier to scale your international team without legal or logistical challenges. The flexibility of Deel is another key strength. You can pay employees in their local currency, whether it's direct deposit, a local bank transfer, or even cryptocurrency, giving your team members multiple payment options. Deel helps you manage the full process without relying on third-party payroll services. If you're new to Deel, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a payroll or compliance expert to use the platform effectively. The dashboard guides you through every step, from setting up a new hire to managing ongoing payroll tasks. Whether you're managing a single contractor or building an entire international team, Deel has everything you need in one place. You also get access to Deel's customer support, which can help guide you through any issues that arise. From compliance questions to technical difficulties, their team is available to assist and ensure that your global hiring process goes smoothly. If you're interested in giving Deel a try, we've partnered with them to offer an exclusive extended free trial. Simply click the first link in the description below to get started. Not only will you get a full feel for the software, but you'll also receive exclusive bonuses, making it even easier to start using Deel for your global hiring and compliance needs. In conclusion, Deel is the best tool for simplifying global hiring and compliance. With its easy setup, automated payroll, and legal compliance features, it's a must-have for businesses looking to scale internationally without worrying about the complexities of cross-border hiring. Don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive offer by clicking the first link below.